Where you at?
This one.
Yeah, I mean, I like it. I think it's really close to what I would say finished. For example, I see you see this little spot. So one thing you want to do whenever you're done with your outline is you want to get really close to it, and you want to analyze it up close. For example, if you notice here, there's like a small gap between the filling of the eye and the outline of the iris. You want to make sure that you get that, because when that heals, you're gonna definitely see like a hole there. We call that like holidays in tattooing.
Okay.
Just like you're living a holiday there. Okay. So I would say always inspect your lines closely. That's the most important thing. And what I would say, I would still like some of these lines to be a little bit thicker. Like I think there's still a little bit of inconsistency there. So let me show you what I would do. The few lines that I see left are, so this one, even though it looks pretty good, I think there's a little bit of inconsistency there. I don't like the way it goes from fat to thin here. It doesn't taper the way that I like. So that being the case, I would just either even it out. Let me get a piece of paper. So yeah, I would just make sure the line is nice and even. That looks better. So even though it's still tapering, I feel like now it has like a very nice transition. And then I would work on the inner part right here. Let me show you. Let me see if we can see it here. Like on the inner part, there's a bit of a hole right here. Like it's not smooth. So I would clean that up. So this part is just more about just kind of scrutinizing what you have done so far and just making sure that everything is up to par with the rest of the tattoo, because most of it is really good. So I would just work on that. That looks good. I would make this line right here a little more consistent with the one that's adjacent to it, because this one's pretty thick. So I would make this one have the same consistency, same thickness. And then I would do the same thing for this line right here. Right there. And then put the rest of this line right here. By the way, I just found out that baby oil is really good for cleaning these up. So we have to get some baby oil. I'll get some baby oil for the next one. Somebody left us a comment in the YouTube channel.
Alrighty, that's cool.
Yeah, they're like, hey, really good video. Like baby oil works great. Okay, and then I would just do the same thing for that. Like I was telling you earlier, like just keep them kind of the same family size. So this one needs to match this. And then these right here on the outside, they need to match. Same as here, the outside of the shoe needs to match. The outside right here needs to match. That's pretty much it.
Awesome.
Yep. Here you go.
Thank you.